This is the best chapter of your 10th standard textbook. Too many things to learn here. Okay. So in triangles, first we have two things. Have you heard of congruency, congruent, congruent triangles? What is congruent? Congruent means what? This comes from 7th standard. Congruency means what?
Similar and equal.
Hmm.
Both the triangles, if we place one more, like we place another triangle on it and all the sides are equal, then it's called.
Okay, correct. So what he's saying is, if I take one triangle, let it be ABC, A, B, C, and if I take one more triangle, DF, DEF, DEF. Now, if AB is 5 centimeter, D is also 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter. If I take this triangle, okay, and place it on this, exactly it will fit on. ಏನು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ exactly it will overlapping. Congruency means what? Basically it's a overlapping of two things. Getting? So if I take this triangle and place it on there, it will exactly overlap. AB will fall on where? AB will fall on D. BC will fall on AF. So here AB is equal to DE because both are 5 centimeter, and BC is equal to AF because both are 6 centimeter, and last AC is equal to DF because both are 7 centimeters. Therefore, can I write a triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF? So this is a sign of congruency. You write it like that, equals to and 1. Okay. Any doubts? So this is how we prove congruency, and there are too many rules to prove congruency. Different side. This average what? Side. If three sides are equal in a triangle, then it's a congruent. Any doubts? One more example I'll give. If I take a circle, okay, this circle has a radius of 2 centimeter. One more circle I will take. It has a radius of 2 centimeters. Same. If I take the circle and place it over that, will they overlap or no? They will definitely overlap because both the circles have same radius, same diameter. So it will overlap. So these things when they repeat, okay, we can tell they are overlapping means they are congruent. Any doubts in congruency? Congruency means two things will take. If I overlap them, they should exactly overlap. ಮೇಲೆ ಕುಂದಿರ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕುಂದಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಗ ಉಳಿಬಾರ್ದು, ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಉಳಿಬಾರ್ದು. Then we say that as congruency. Those two things are congruent. Any doubts? Example, our two hands, they will be congruent or exactly they will overlap. Getting like that. Any doubts? Take it. So next we have is similarity, similar figures. One example I'll give. Similar figure means the figures will be similar. If I take one circle of 5 centimeter radius and one more 2 centimeter radius, both are what? Both are circles only. Both are circles. Correct? Both are circles only. But this is 2 centimeter circle, this is 5 centimeter circle. Getting or? So both are similar figures. Add a circle. If I make one triangle, is this and this similar? Similar figure? No. But this and this are similar figures like that. Getting? we can do one more equilateral triangle, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. But A type, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. This and this are both are equal. So they are similar figures. This is how similar figures take place. Take it. Simple concept. Break fast.
If your line
30. See, we are doing the most important theorem. This theorem has been asked every time in the board exam. One was Thales theorem, which we called as Thales theorem, which we called as basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem, or we call it as BPT. BPT. All are same. Thales theorem, basic proportionality theorem, BPT. All represent what a basic proportionality theorem. Read the sentence. Read.
If a line is drawn from one side of triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio.
Read once again.
If a line is drawn parallel to one side of triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio.
So, if I draw a line parallel to the one side of a triangle, you can take, if this is a side, you can draw a parallel here. If this is the side, you can draw parallel here. Now I have took this BC as a side, okay? So this will be my parallel line. So D is parallel to what? BC. Read once again, last time. If a line from the beginning. Once again read.
If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle.
So I have drawn D is parallel to what now? Given I have drawn D is parallel to BC, correct? Next.
Triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points.
Intersect the other two sides in the distinct points. So this distinct points are D and D.
The other two sides are divided in the same ratio.
So he is saying that the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. One example I'll give first, then you will understand. Basic proportionality teaches us that if a triangle ABC, okay, think this is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. If I exactly take this at 5 centimeter, this also at 5 centimeter, and join this, okay. So D is parallel to BC, yes or no? Okay. If D is parallel to BC and they cut at the distinct points, same distinct points. If this should also be at 5, this should also be at 5. Hingirvar, okay. Same time. And this should be parallel. Then they are telling us that this AD will be equal to AE, yes or no? If this is 5 centimeter, this also will be equal to 5 centimeter. Then DB will be equal to, you see, if this is 5 centimeter, this also will be equal to 5 centimeter. Cut ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ proportional ಇರ್ತಾವ. They will be of same length. If this is 5 centimeter, this also will be equal to 5. If this is 2 centimeter, this also will be equal to 2. That's what it means, okay? So we should prove AD by AE is equal to DB by EC R type ಆಯ್ತದ. One side we will understand more. Some ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಿಳಿತಾವ. So first, I will do one construction. Here only I will write the construction. Join, okay, BE and DC. BE and DC. And one more I will take. This has took what I don't know in textbook. What has took here? M. Here M has took. Here N. Correct, I have to call the naming sir according to textbook. So DM is perpendicular to AE and EN is perpendicular to AD. E-type construction. This is the construction. DM is perpendicular to AE. EN is perpendicular to AD. Then join B and join DC. Construction proof is very easy, simple. One shot proof. First, I will take this triangle AED in triangle AED. Okay, AED and triangle DED. Okay, area of triangle AED is equal to half into base into height, will write, correct? Half into base into height. Now come here. AED is a triangle. What is the base here? AD is the base. If AD is the base, NE is the height. ಹಿಂಗೈತೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಹಿಂಗೈತೆ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಡಿ ಹೌದು ಇ ಓಕೆ ಎ ಡಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೇಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನಾಗೈತಿ, ಒಂದು ಇದನ್ನ ಹೋಗೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಎನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೇಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಹೈಟ್. ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು ಬೇಸ್ AD into height EN or NE, both are same. Any doubts? Okay, next come to this triangle now. BED, area of triangle BED. maja hai no. Okay, now can anyone tell me what is its base? BED, this triangle BED, this triangle, what is the base? BD. Okay, what is the height? This is the triangle. Okay, what is its height? He has said me that BD is the base. What is the height? What is the height? Correct. Some people think that D is the height. But the triangle is like this. ಈಗ ಮನ್ಯಾಗ ಕುಂತ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, the triangle is like this. ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಐತೆ triangle. ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಹಿಂಗೈತದ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಹೈಟ್. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಹೈಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ನಾ ಇದು ಹೈಟ್ ಬಾ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಹಿಂಗ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಹೈಟ್? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಟೆಲ್ ಹೈಟ್? height ಕೊಟ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಶೋ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸ್? ಡಿಬಿ ಕಾಣತೈತಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬೇಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇ is here. ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಐತೆ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ when triangle is standing like this, its height will be external. ಸೊ height ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಬೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಹೈಟ್? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೈಟ್? ಎಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ತಿಳಿತ್ ನಾ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಹಂಗ ನಿಂತೈತಿಲ್ಲ ಆಟಿ ಕಾಣತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಫಾಲಿಂಗ್? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಕೇಳತೈತಿ? ಸೊ EN is the height, half into what is its base? Base is DB, but its height is EN. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಿಂತೈತದ. This is a triangle. The support height is here, EN. EN is its height. ತಿಳಿತ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ? So I have took EN as a height. EN. Any doubts? Okay, next. Now we'll go to the second part of the sum. Again, I will take this triangle ADE in triangle ADE and triangle CDE. Now this triangle CDE. So area of triangle ADE is equal to, we know that area of triangle ADE is equal to half into base is what? D. Sorry, A to then. If I take D again, I will get different. That's it. Half into half into, this time we'll go this side, okay, AE into, you guys should tell me if this is a base, what is its height? What's its height? This is a triangle. Okay, this is the base. What's the height? Huh? DM, very good. Into DM. Next, area of triangle. Okay, D, EC or whatever you want to, ECD, whatever you want to write. I wrote in CDE. CDE is equal to half into, what's the base? EC I will take. EC, half into EC into, what's the height? Very good, DM. It is it? So if I consider this triangle, this is the external height. If I consider this triangle, this is the external height. People will think, idak banpa iyan. Idak iyan mat gomak na illa. That is the truth. Why did iyan come? Okay, the triangle is here. Iyan na khorgan banpa. Getting or no? That's a question everybody gets. We are taking that iyan or dm because it's an external height. ಈಗ ನಂಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ನಿಂತೆಪ್ಪ ಓಕೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೆಜರ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ನಿಂತೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೈಟ್ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ getting or no? If I stand like this in this portion we should measure our height like this ತಿಳತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ನಿಂತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೈಟ್ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ we measure height like this getting if a building is standing like this okay think we can't measure height like this ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ no this is the total height ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ this is the height. So our type work ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. Some any doubts? No, next. Last thing. Now I will take a think this as I have done this as two parts. First, area of triangle AD divided by area of triangle BD is equal to this one is half into AD into EN whole divided by this one is half into DB into EN. Half of cancel, EN cancel. AD by any doubts? Next I will take this now. Area of AD half into A into DM whole divided by half into AC into DM. DM cancel, half of cancel, A by AC. Equation. Now see here, first equation AD by DB. I got these things. AD by DB will be equal to A by EC. So I proved that this triangle, when this line cuts this triangle as a parallel line, D is parallel to BC, then AD will be equal to A and DB will be equal to EC. We write it as AD by DB is equal to A by EC. So next I can take it as, therefore area of triangle DBE is equal to area of triangle DCE, correct? This triangle DBE is equal to DCE because they both stand at the same base, they both have same base D and both are in between same parallels that are D and BC. Both have base. Y means both have same base. Same base. What is the base? D and are in between same parallel lines. Same parallel lines. The same parallel lines are D and is parallel to BC. So when this thing is happening, I can tell area of triangle DB is equal to area of triangle. Okay. Eager. So therefore I can equate AD by DB is equal to A by EC. This is the proof. We can stop here. Any doubts? Any doubts? Okay, once again I will tell you, stop writing. First, what we are trying to prove is, if I take any triangle, okay, I will name it as ABC. Think this time, I've drawn a line parallel to AB. AB is a line I have drawn here, even cut ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, I will name it as DM. If this has cut, as this is parallel to this thing, if DM is parallel to AB, then CD will be equal to CM, ತಿಳಿತಾ? And DA will be equal to BM, ತಿಳಿತಾ? This is what basic proportionality tells us. ಅವ ಇದು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ, ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದ, ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. Getting over? So when this will work, only and only if DM is parallel to AB. One triangle ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. This should be parallel to this. If they are parallel, then definitely this theorem will work itself. If they are not parallel, it will not work. If DM is parallel to AB of any triangle, okay, so the proportionality will work. Proportionality ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಿಳಿತಾ? Any doubts? Proportionality. One more example. This is the board. Okay. Now length is same. Correct. Here also length is same. Breadth is same. If I take one line from here, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ cut ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ board. Okay. Think like this. Straight. Okay. One line I will put. Think I have cut my board like this. This is parallel to this line. This line and this line are parallel. If this is 10 centimeter, that also will remain how much? 10. If this is 50 centimeter, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತೈತಿ? 50 centimeter. So this only is saying, but he is saying in triangle. ತಿಳಿತಾ? This is only proportionality. E part will be equal to that part. So this part will be equal to this part, and this part will be equal to this part, and the whole AC will be equal to BC. E type proportionality work agate. Any doubts? And how do we prove that? Stop writing. We prove that by taking first area of triangle ADE and DBE. E triangle mat E triangle. Then same triangle and this triangle. Once we take AD as base, okay, and here we take DB as base. Remembering easy. Edaka namage ida bekla prove madaka. AD beka DB beka. That is the base. Once we take AE as base, once we take EC as base, and the external heights are NE and DM, they are constant. Then we apply the formula, we get the answers. It's very easy to do. Any doubts? ತಿಳಿತಾ? 1-2 times if you practice, you will understand. Take it. Right. Okay, see here, one problem is that I have not written here what to prove. Okay, I have done it at last. So you can write it here once again after construction. Prove that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So I should prove that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Below this, right? Prove that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. That was the one thing that was remaining. I should write. Completed? Okay, stop writing now. See here. So next we will do converse of basic proportionality theorem. Converse means what? Idhar ulta. Okay. So here, what was given to me? It was given that this D is parallel to BC. D was parallel to BC, and I proved that AD by AE will be equal to AD by DB will be equal to AE by EC. I proved this. Now in converse, the ending that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC is given to me. Okay, that is given to me, and I should prove that if AD by DB is equal to AE by AC, then prove me D is parallel to BC. ಅದರ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು. ಈಗ ನಾ ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಇದು ಗಿವನ್ ಏನಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. That is given for me now. Okay. 1 second. Everybody read the converse statement. In next page it is there in textbook. Who have textbook, open the textbooks and see. Okay. In textbook he has not solved only. Bari why ಕೇಳಾತನ. See textbook how they have designed. Okay, read the question. So BPT, converse of BPT. Converse I'm doing. Converse of this. Ah, 2 point. 6.2. If a line divides 2, read.
If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side.
What they have took this here? D. What they have took this here? Here, what they have?
E dash.
E dash. Okay. Read. Read.
If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio,
In the same ratio, so given if a line divides, let's consider D is the line. Okay, this D dash is the imaginary line, leave that. If D is a line that is cutting this triangle, that means AD by DB will be equal to AD by DB will be equal to AE by EC. Next.
then the line is parallel to the third side.
Then the line is parallel to the third side. I should prove that D is parallel to BC. Understood? In the last sum, D is parallel to BC was given. I have proved this. Here, this is given. I should prove this one. Only one construction. Draw an imaginary line DE dash. Okay, construct imaginary line DE dash. Okay. Now, slowly I will start proving that. So this is given. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Now what I will do in triangle ABC. Okay, think that assume D dash I wrote A dash D dash is parallel to BC. Any doubts? D dash is parallel to BC. I'm assuming that. Think this is straight line. Okay, this is straight line. If D dash is parallel to BC, can I write AD by DB is equal to what I should write? You guys should tell me. A dash, very good. A dash by E dash by E dash C. Think this as straight line. D dash is parallel to BC means AD by DB will be equal to A dash by E dash C. Clarity? D dash is parallel to BC. Think this is straight line. Okay, if this is parallel to this, then AD by DB will be equal to AD by DB. Understood this? Either three. AD by DB will be equal to A dash by E dash C. See here. AD by DB will be equal to A dash by E dash C. Leave this in. Getting? Why? Because D dash is parallel to BC. Parallel. Next. After getting this, but we know that AD by DB is equal to what? A by EC. So can I convert AD by DB as AE by EC? AD by DB means A by EC. A by EC is equal to what? A dash by E dash C. See, any doubts still here? In textbook like this, yes, done. Click stop over done. Okay. So, any doubts still here? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಅಂತೂ ಬಂತು. Okay. Next, what I will do is from here we will continue. AE by EC plus 1 is equal to A dash by E dash C plus 1. Add 1 on both sides. If I add 1 on both sides, I am balancing them. Correct? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. I have given 1 to both of them. So I have balanced it. What will be the LCM? LCM will be EC into 1 into EC. So AE plus EC is equal to, here LCM will be E dash C into 1 into E dash C. A into 1 AE plus E dash C. Correct? Correct at it? Now, come here. What is AE plus EC? Can anybody tell me? AE plus EC. Very good. AC. No dream. AE ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಐತಿ. AE plus EC is total. AC ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. You get AC by EC. Similarly, AE plus E dash. AE plus AE dash plus E dash C. AE dash is here. AE dash plus E dash C. Again, I will get full AC. AC by E dash C. AC cancel. AC on both sides. Numerator. So EC is equal to what I got? E dash. So any doubts here? If EC is equal to E dash C, if EC is equal to E dash C, then E dash is on what? E dash other ಮೇಲೆ ಐತೆ. ಈ ಮೇಲೆ ಐತಿಲ್ಲ. If EC is equal to E dash C, this is 5 cm, then this is also 5 cm, means E dash is on E only. Therefore, E dash is on E only. Correct? E dash E ಮೇಲೆ ಐತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, okay, I have assumed that DE dash is parallel to BC. We know that DE dash is parallel to, parallel equal to, we know that DE dash is parallel to BC. Then DE dash means same, DE means also same. So DE is also parallel to BC. This is a proof. E dash E ಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. E dash E ಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಏನಂತಪ್ಪ, I have assumed DE dash is parallel to BC. E dash E ಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನು DE also becomes parallel to BC. That's how we do that. Any doubts? So stop writing now. One thing what we understood is, if I take any triangle, first major criteria that you should look is this line should be parallel to this. Then only things will work. It hingaipa, hingaipa. If this and this are not parallel, can I prove basic proportionality theorem then? That is impossible, that I'll say. If basic proportionality is working, then the lines will be parallel. If lines are parallel, then basic proportionality will work. Both the sides will prove. Anything? First theorem is lines are parallel, we proved basic proportionality theorem. Second theorem, basic proportionality is there, we proved lines are parallel. Any doubts? Take it. First one. Okay, read the question.
Figure 6.7. First and second. DE is parallel to BC.
D is parallel to BC.
Find EC. First.
EC is equal to question mark. To find EC is equal to question mark.
First.
Leave that. Afterwards, we'll do. First, D is parallel to BC. This triangle D is parallel to BC. That means which theorem will work here? Which theorem will work here? Basic proportionality theorem will work only and only if D is parallel to BC. Correct? Now what will happen? AD will be equal to AE. Correct? And DB will be equal to EC. We know that. And how do we write that? Solution. Since D is parallel to BC by BPT, basic proportionality theorem, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Perfect. Any doubts? Correct or not? Now AD is how much? 1.5 by AE 1 centimeter by EC. I don't know, that only I am finding. I am finding AC. 1.5 1s are 1.5, 2s are 3. 1.5 plus 1.5, 3 centimeter. Okay. So EC is equal to 2 directly I can equate. Or else if you take it to the numerator, you become 2 by 1, EC by 1. So EC is equal to 2. Any doubts? We don't know it's centimeter or no. Just write the answer 2. Any doubts? Okay, next we'll do. Next one we'll try. Same formula, right? Right. I will afterwards I will do it. Okay, see here. So again, since D is parallel to BC by BPT, I can write AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This time I am finding AD. Okay, AD as it is by DB is 7.2, AE is 1.8 by 5.4. Any doubts? Correct? If I move 1 point from here, this will become 18, this will become 54. And that also you can do. So AD into 10, if I take here, it will become 72. To make this 72, I should send 10 on the upper side. 72 is equal to 18 by 54. 18 ones are 18 threes are 54. Correct? 18 threes are 54. 3 and 72. 3 ones are 7 plus 2 9. 3 ones are both are in denominator. I can cancel this and this. 3 ones are 3 2s are 6. 12 are 3 4s are. So 10 by 20 10 by 24 means can write 2.4. So AD by 2.4 is equal to 1 is remaining here, 1, 2.4 I will send it here, AD is equal to 2.4. Any doubts? You can do directly also. 1.8 ones are 1.8 threes are firstly, correct? And you can cancel out. You will get the direct answer 2.4. 1.8 ones are 1.8 threes are 3 are no boring left. Then you should cancel this and correct. 1.8 ones are 1.8 threes are 3 ones are 3 into 2.4. If you do, you will get 7.2. Correct? Any doubts? Cancellation is left upon you. How you take from here? Any method you can take. Hinga madಬೇಕು ಹಂಗ ಮಾಡೋಕಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ತಲೆಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, but you should get same answer. Any doubts? Take it. Rub only. Write fast. Next one. Third one. Second one. Read.
Here there are points on the side CQ.
Once more you read. Once.
Here there are
E
points
and F. E and F.
are points on the sides PQ and QR respectively of the triangle PQR. For each of the following cases, state whether EF is parallel to QR. PE equals to 3.9 cm. EQ equals to 3 cm. PF equals to 3.6 cm. And FR equals to 2.4 cm.
Now I should. This is a ulta of first sum. In first sum they give me this is parallel to this. Then find one side. Here they have given me all sides. I should tell is this parallel to this or not. Getting? So first I will apply BPT. By BPT. Okay. PE. You don't write BPT also. Because BPT, if it's working, then we can write BPT. We don't know whether BPT is working or not yet. There are just one sides. We will see BPT will work or not. PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. If this is working, then we can tell that PF is parallel to what a QR. Correct? Getting or no? PE is how much? 3.9 centimeter. EQ 3 centimeter. PF 3.6 by 2.4. 39 by 30. 3 into 10 30 is equal to 36 by 24. 24, correct? 3 ones I can start. 3 ones are 3 8s are 24. 1 2 correct. Further 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 2 1s are 15s are 39 by 15 is equal to 3. 3 1s are 3s are okay. So 13 by 15 is it equal to 1? Is not equal to 1 by 1. Getting or no? So I didn't get both same answers here. LHS is not equal to RHS. Then can I tell that EF is parallel to QR? No. Therefore, EF is not parallel to QR. Why? It didn't satisfy. It didn't satisfy what BPT. BPT theorem prove madla. Right? Will you do the second sum, third sum? They have given the values. Put it here. Find whether PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR or not. Okay, same. Everything is same. Try. Read the values.
PE 4 cm.
4 centimeter.
QE 4.5 cm. EF
Once again, PE, UQ,
4.5 cm. EF equals to 8 cm.
2.8.
8.
8 centimeter.
and RF equals to 9.
Once again, read it.
E equals to 4 centimeters. If E equals to 4.5 centimeters. EF equals to 8 centimeters. And RF equals to 9 centimeters.
So completed, check it. P by EQ is equal to PF by FR. P is 4 by 4.5, 8 by 9. Correct? So can we do anything? 4 ones are 4 twos are 8. 1 by 4.5 is equal to 2 by 9. 2 by 9, 2 ones are, if I 9 by 2, if I do 4.5 by 1, if I switch it like this, it will become 4.5 by 1, this will become 9 by 2. 9 by 2, okay. 9 by 2, if I do 2 4s are 8, 1 is remaining, 0.05 is 10. So 2 ones are 2, 4.5 is 9. So 4.5 is equal to 4.5. How many got? It is working. Understood? So here I got LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, BPT is working. It comes under BPT. It comes under BPT. Hence AF is parallel to QR. Easy. Simplification is all you need. Take it. Right fast. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಭಾಳ ಮಂದಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ರೈಟ್. Next values you tell. Last one.
EQ equals to 1.28 centimeters. PR 2.56 centimeters.
EQ
EQ 1.28 centimeters.
once again read.
EQ equals to 1.28 centimeters.
PQ give direct PQ, okay, like this. PQ is equal to
1.28 centimeters.
PR
equals to 2.56 centimeters. EQ equals to 0.18 centimeters. PF equals to 0.36 centimeters.
See here, I can write like this also. PQ whole PQ by P is equal to PR by PF. You can do like this also. Getting or you can subtract this 1.28 minus 0.18 and you can find this and do this by this. Both ways you can do. PQ is how much? 1.28 2.56 2 points I will move here. It will become 128. This will become 18. 256 by 36. 18 ones are 18 twos are 36. Correct? 18 ones are 18 twos are 36. 2 ones are 2s are 16 8s are 128 is equal to 128. Therefore, EF is parallel to QR. EF is parallel to QR. Any doubts? Okay, stop writing. See here. Stop writing. If this is a triangle ABC, how many BPTs are there? I will tell you. Either this by this will be equal to this by this. First theorem. Okay, this we have learned. Second thing, this can also happen. ABC. Okay, this whole thing by this and this whole thing by this. This will also work. It ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕಿದೆ. Okay. Third one. They all are different kinds of BBTs. This whole thing by this whole thing by this. This will also work. If these things are happening, then this is parallel to this. This is parallel to this. Mister, anything? Any doubts? Okay. Here this was happening. Okay, now we will see the proofs. How easy they are, you will understand. Third one. Read.
In figure 6.1, if LM is parallel to C,
See here. LM is parallel to CB.
and LM is parallel to CD,
Study one second. LM is parallel to CB side. So which triangle I should see there? If LM is parallel to CB, which triangle you are seeing? Yeah, triangle kanate. For your eyes, you should see A, C, B triangle or ABC triangle. This is the triangle you should see. Okay. If this is parallel to this, AM by MB will be equal to AL by LC. Yes or no? Correct. By the BBT. Next, read further.
and LN is parallel to CD.
LN is parallel to CD. Next, he is saying this LN is parallel to CD. Now, which triangle you are seeing? Now you are seeing this triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, what is working? AL by LC will be equal to AN by NT. Perfect. Any doubts here? Okay, next. Prove that.
AM by B
AM
by B
AM by AB
equals to AM by
AN by AM by AD AB is equal to AN by AD. So I should prove AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. Okay. Solution. Everybody stop writing. See here. First, if ML is parallel to BC, then by BPT can I write AM by ಈಗ ಇವಾಗ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. I can take AM by MB also. Okay. I can take like this also. ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಆಗಲೇ 3 rules are there. I can take like this also. AM by MB. Okay. By AL by LC I can do. But I should prove AM by AB. I should prove AM by AB I should prove. So like this if I take I will not get answer. Getting or no? I should take AM by AB full. So AM by AB is equal to what there? Can anyone tell me? In that triangle? AL by Very good. AC. Understood why I took like this? AM by AB is equal to AL by AC. Okay. Similarly, see here. AN by AD I should get. AN is here. AN. AD is here. Okay. Now come to this triangle. This is the equation 1. In triangle ADC, 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 LN is parallel to BC by BPT, AN by AD is equal to what? AL by AC. Perfect. Any doubts? Any doubts how I did? Very simple. Okay. Now see here, AM by AB is equal to AL by AC. AN by AD is also equal to AL by AC. So can I write AM by AB is equal to AN by AD? ತಿಳಿದಿದೆ ಇವ್ ಕಡೆನೂ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇವ್ ಕಡೆನೂ 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇದೆ. ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಬಿ if both have 10 rupees, both are equal or no? Okay, like that. So AM by AB, therefore directly you can write AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. Hence prove. This much easy are the theorems. If you know theorems, you can prove this much easily. Any doubts? What I did here? Once I will tell you. AM by AB is equal to AL by AC. Second, AN by AD is equal to AL by AC. Or this will be equal to this. That's right, the theorem. Any doubts? Right. They stop writing. Next. See here. Always in the triangles, the chapters, everything sum can be decided by seeing the given. If you write given properly, you can do anything. Now see here. Here what I have got AM. First given was LM is parallel to CB. So I took BPT. Similarly here LN was parallel to CD. So I understood that I should take BPT and do that. Second thing, he gave me AM by AB. So I understood AM by AB should be taken. Then I can take AL by AC. Getting? So if you understand given and what to prove properly, you can solve some by very easily. If you don't understand given and prove that, part of it. Okay, next sum also same. Now you guys should tell me what I should take next sum. Okay, full same. Fourth one. One second. Correct diagram, check it once. Okay, read.
Figure 1.6.19. DE is parallel to AC.
See here, given DE is parallel to
AC.
see here, first one. DE is parallel to AC. Okay, remember this. So I can use BPT again now. Okay, next.
And DF is parallel to AE.
Second, DF is parallel to
AE.
AE. See here, this is, I will take it as parallel one. Okay. Second, he has told me DF second parallel, DF is parallel to AE. This is parallel to this is parallel to this. So there are two triangle formations. First one is this triangle, full triangle. Second one is this triangle. This triangle. Second triangle is this. Where this is parallel to this. Geometry is about what you see. If you see properly, then only you can understand. Okay. I have developed that. Nangen Tursirla Ashtakant. Remaining nothing I can see. If I am telling that this is a triangle A, E, B, I am just seeing this line and this line. This everything is invisible for me. Like that only you should also see. Okay. Read further.
Prove that
Prove that.
BF by FE
What was the name?
BF by FE is equal to AE by EC.
Over. So BF is there. Here is the BF. BF by FE. BF by FE is equal to B, this whole thing B by EC. I should prove. Okay, now stop writing once you see. First I will take B by EC. This is B by EC means this. So if I take this triangle, see properly now. In triangle, first what is said that D is parallel to, where is D? D, okay, D is parallel to AC. In triangle ABC, D is parallel to, D is here, D is parallel to AC. AC by BPT, what will work by BPT?
BD by DA.
See here, see this one. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಓಕೆ ಲೀವ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇದೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಡಿ is parallel to AC. Just see this line and this line, and this is a triangle. I am using now full triangle. E triangle. Just see this and this. Don't forget this and this is there. You adu illa andre this is parallel to this. Okay. And in first thing I mistake leave this. I should prove B by EC. B is here, EC is here. This is the triangle. This is parallel to this. So can I write B by EC is equal to what do you write? BD by 1 second. BD by D. BD by DA. Correct आता? Okay. Second, in triangle D is parallel to AC is saying next. So DF is parallel to E. So DF is here, AE is here. So this is the second triangle. No, illiga mugudbidre triangle. Illiga mugudbidre. Now this is parallel to this. Okay, leave this line. In ನೆನಪರ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. Think this is not there. This is the triangle ending. Okay, this is parallel to this. Now again, BF by FA. I want BF is here, FE is here. In triangle ABE, where DF is parallel to AE by BPT, BF by FE is equal to what? BD by DA. BD by DA. E type का है triangle. B A E D F. Correct. So this by this will be equal to this by this. BF by FE is equal to BD by ಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿ ಈ ಟೈಪ್. ಬೆಟರ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಗ್. ವೇಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ hold. We have time, आराम से hold. We got the answer. You can see this is equal to BD by DA. This is also equal to BD by DA. Therefore, B by EC is equal to BF by. Only two steps are there. Okay, figuring out is the toughest part. Start ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Okay, read once again. Given
One, DE is parallel to AC and BF is parallel to AE. So that BF by FE is equal to DE by.
this some little bit you should see and go. ಒಮ್ಮಕ್ಲೆ ತಿಳಿಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇದೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಟು ಎಸಿ ಸೇಮ್. ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಟು ಎಸಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಇದು ಎರಡು ಹೊರ ತಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಸಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಸಿ B. I want D outside. This is my D. D is parallel to AC. I have to D and AC outside. This is the first triangle. Now it looks easy. This is the first triangle. In triangle ABC. Okay. Second, in triangle between DF is parallel to AE. DF is here, AE is here. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ triangle AE last. AE is the ending part. It will go till B. And what are the parallels? DF. DF is here. DF. Where DF is parallel to AE. DF is parallel to AE. This is in triangle ABE. Perfect. What you can do is you can remove those out. Add parallel one. Okay. Now see here, I should prove that BF by FE. BF by FE. It is here BF by FE. Next B by EC. B by EC is here. B by EC they want. Go to proof, you will understand what to take. B by EC, E step I should also take like this only. Getting normal? So B by EC is equal to B by EC is equal to by BPT. B by EC is equal to BD by DA. BD by DA, equation 1. Similarly, he has given me BF by FE. BF is here, FE is here. By BPT, BF by FE is equal to BF by FE is equal to BD by DA. BD by DA. This is your second equation. Okay. B by EC is equal to BD by DA. BF by FE is equal to BD by DA. Therefore B by EC is equal to BF by FE. ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ. It's a ಮಣ್ಣು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ will understand. It was not getting think more. ಮೆಡಿಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮುಗಾತೈತಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿನ ಟೈಮ್ ಮುಗಾತೈತಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡಿ. Next one, fifth one. Okay, stop writing. Very simple sum. This is very easy. Okay, read. Read fast.
When figure 6.2, DE is parallel to OQ.
Once again read it.
DE is parallel to OQ.
DE is parallel to. Okay, see here. DE is parallel to OQ. Now you can see clearly. See. Okay, which is the triangle I should take? PO. PO. इस clear साग इस तरह आता है. D is parallel to OQ means I should take this triangle. Okay. Next. Okay. Next.
And DF is parallel to OR.
DF is parallel to.
OR.
So DF is parallel to OR means which triangle you should take? POR. POR. Okay. Next.
Show that EF is parallel to QR.
EF is parallel to.
QR.
EF is here. QR is here. Okay. Once I prove, you'll understand. Okay. Now just see. ಈಗ ನಾ ಆಗಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಂತೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡದ್ದೆ ಅದೇ ಬಹಳ ಇದನ್ನ ತ್ರಾಸ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Once I will prove, you'll understand. Solution. Just see. Okay. How I will prove. First, this is parallel to this. So I will take this triangle. In triangle POQ, you guys will said in triangle POQ. What is it? D is parallel to OQ by BPT. P by EQ will be equal to what? P by EQ will be equal to PD by DO. ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ? P by EQ will be equal to PD by DO. PD by DO. ಇದು ನೋಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಇಷ್ಟ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕಾಣತೈತಿಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ now come to this triangle. ಇದು ನೋಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ. now come to this triangle. in triangle POR ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಪ? ಇದು ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಂಗ್ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಮಾರ್ರೆ ಅವ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದೆ. in triangle POR ಮಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾನವ. POR PF
side of another side. Bisect the third side. Recall that you have.
See here, what they're saying is, if I have a triangle, ABC, okay. If I take a point from midpoint, this is a midpoint thing. If the AB is 10 centimeter, this comes from a midpoint. I will name it as D. Okay. If I join this to AC, okay, then they are saying that this will bisect AC. If I take it as E, then I should prove A will be equal to EC. Once again I'll tell you. This is a triangle. This line starts from midpoint. If this line starts from midpoint, they are saying this will cut this line, this side, what equally they are saying. Getting? So A will be equal to EC. Read once again. Read it once again.
Using theorem 6.1, prove that a line drawn to the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to.
So this is parallel also. D is parallel to BC. So given D is parallel to BC, second point, using theorem 6.1 he's saying. So by using theorem 6.1, by basic proportionality theorem, AD by DB will be equal to AE by EC. Any doubts? We know that BPT is happening here. Okay, D is parallel to BC. We also know that. We know that also. What I should prove is, if this line goes and cuts this, okay, cuts this side, I should prove that AE will be equal to EC. Exactly by 2 it's true. Exactly equally cut one and prove it. Getting? So I should prove AE is equal to EC. Now what I will do, I will take it as a given solution. From given, I will take AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Okay. Now next, can you tell me how any idea you have? Like how can I prove AE is equal to AC? Any idea you have? Any idea? Any idea? Huh? What? Read that question. In that question, only answer is there. Read it. Using theorem 6.1. Read. Sit quiet. In that question, only answer is there. Okay, read the question. I will tell. Where is the answer?
Using theorem 6.1, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of
See
one
here.
side of
A line drawn through a midpoint of one side. So we have drawn a line from here. So this is the midpoint. D is midpoint of what? AB. If D is midpoint of AB, can I write AD is equal to DB? Understood from where I wrote that? They are telling me D is a midpoint of one side of a triangle. From there, one line will go parallel to this line, and then it will cut this other side by two sides. That's saying. Understood from where I took that? AD is equal to DB. Okay. Now what I will do? AD is equal to DB is there. AD I will keep it as it is. DB means what? DB means also. Can write AD. DB means also AD. AD are change matter, DB are change matter. It's your interest. Okay. AD will get cancelled. Is equal to AE by EC. Any doubt what I did here? If you understand this, sum is over. Any doubts? Okay. Now one is there here. EC will go here. EC is equal to AE. EC is equal to AE. But then easy. Only 3 steps. So we got our answer. Any doubts? What did I prove here? See here. If there is a triangle ABC, okay. In a triangle, D is the midpoint of AB. Okay, D is midpoint of AB. From here, if I take one line parallel to this,
then it will cut this triangle, it will cut this side by two things. Then A will be equal to AC. Similarly, you can do like this also. If this is triangle ABC, if this is the midpoint, if E is midpoint of AC, and if I pass one line parallel to this line, then this will cut this by 2. AD will be equal to DB. Understood the meaning of theorem? Okay, the only thing is this should be parallel to this and this should start from midpoint. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು, ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆತಪ್ಪ, ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೂ ಮೀಟ್ ಆತ, ಇದು ಕಟ್ ಆತ. No, this doesn't make sense. Getting? This makes sense. Take it. Any doubts? So read question 2-3 times. In question only answer will be there. Right. Okay, almost same type of sum. Eighth one. Stop writing. Okay, read. Read. ಯಾರು ಓದ್ತಿರು? Read.
Using theorem 6.2, prove that the line joining the midpoint of any two sides of triangle is parallel to the third side.
ಯಾರು ಆವಾಜ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಚಸ್ ಗಪ್ ಕುಂದ್ರ ನೀವ ಇಬ್ರು ಏನು ಗಪ್ ಕುಂದ್ರಬೇಕು.
Recall that you have done it in class 9.
See here, using theorem 6.2, we say, what is 6.2 theorem? Converse of BPT. So in converse of BPT, we have given AD will be equal to DB. If you open and see, you will understand. AD will be equal to DB. See theorem 6.2, we'll see given. Adhoda ulta prove marte. AD by DB will be equal to A by AC in the given. We will prove that D is parallel to BC. Remember? So similar proof. I should prove D is equal to BC here, and then I should also prove that D is parallel to BC. These are the two things. Okay. And what is given? AD by DB. AD is equal to DB, and A is equal to EC. Why means they are telling us to use theorem 6.2. Clear? What I have written? From theorem 6.2, I know that AD is equal to DB, A is equal to EC, and I should prove this line is parallel to this and it's equal to that. D is equal to BC. Any doubts? Okay. Any idea how to start? Now you have in front of your eyes. Any idea how I can do? Okay, normally I will start. So by theorem 6.2, see here, by theorem 6.2, we know that AD, ಇನ್ನೂ ಆವಾಜ್ ಬರತ್ತೆ, ಹೊರಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. AD by, ನೀ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕುಂದ್ರ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗು, ಪಟ್ಟಂಗ್ ಕುಂದ್ರ. ಜಲ್ದಿ ಹೋಗು ವಿಜಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ, ಜಲ್ದಿ ಹೋಗು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಂದ್ರ. ಜಲ್ದಿ ಕುಂದ್ರ, ಮಾತಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಜಲ್ದಿ, ನಂಗೆ ಸಮ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಹಾಕ. 40 minutes ಜಲ್ದಿ ಕುಂದ್ರ. ನಾ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಹಚ್ಬೇಡ, ಪಟ್ಟಂಗ್ ಕುಂದ್ರ. ನಾ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳತ್ತೇನೆ ಸುಮ್ ಕುಂದ್ರ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು, ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಮಾತು, ಹೋಗಿ ಕುಂದ್ರ, ಪಟ್ಟಂಗ್ ಕುಂದ್ರ. ಹೊರಗೆ ಕಳಿಸೋಣ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ, ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕುಂದಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಜಲ್ದಿ ಕುಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಮುಚ್ಚಿಡ್ದೈತೆ ನಿಂಗೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಂದಿರ, ಜಲ್ದಿ ಕುಂದಿರಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ನಟ್ರಿ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕುಂದಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ತೆಲ್ಲೂ ನಂಗೆ ಜಲ್ದಿ ಕುಂದ್ರಿ, ನಾಳಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕುಂದ್ರಿ ಡೈಲಿ, ನಾ ಹೇಳೋದಂಗ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕುಂದ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, AD by DB is equal to, okay, AD by DB will be equal to AE by AC. One by one I will take. AD by DB first I will take, then I will take AE by AC here. Okay. Now can I take AD as DB? AD became DB. AD is equal to DB given. We know that AD is equal to DB. Both 5 cm, 5 cm. Both will be same. DB by DB, if we cancel, we get 1. Equation 1. Okay. Similarly, AE by AC. A is equal to AC. So AC by AC, if I write,
EC cancel, again is equal to 1. Equation, correct? Therefore, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. We know that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. If AD by DB is equal to AE by AC, then can I write D is parallel to BC? Can I write D is parallel to BC? Same like theorem 6.2 proof. Similarly, E type by any doubts till here? Okay. But we have not proved D is equal to BC. Hinga it proof. Check ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ದ್ರಾಗ ವಿಷಯ proof ಐತಿ. See, D can never be equal to BC. ಹಂಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ I think so. Only this is the proof. This I should prove. They have not told me to prove they are equal. Okay, leave this. Just this is the truth. In some guides they have written this also. D is equal to BC prove matter in Balbata. Okay, but actually we should just prove D is parallel to BC. See, just think that if we have a triangle, can this side be equal to this side? You only think. This is only this much. How can this be equal to this? Yes or no? Thinking this can be equal to this, but it will not become triangle. It doesn't make sense, okay? So I have proved correct, I think so. But in some guides they have written D is equal to BC also, but they have not proved. Sridhar, any doubts? Okay. Once again, using theorem 6.2, I should prove that D is parallel to BC. Okay, this is the question. So theorem 6.2 tells us that we should use theorem 6.1. 6.1 is AD by DB will be equal to AE by AC. Okay, but we just know that AD is equal to DB and AE is equal to EC. From 6.2, they have said us to use 6.2. And any doubts in here? Given? Okay, afterwards. AD by DB if I take AD by DB if I take AD means what? DB. So I have converted AD as what? DB here. AD has been shifted to DB. DB and DB is there. DB cancel 1. Similarly, AE by EC I will do. Okay. AE by EC. AE means again EC. You can see there. EC cancel again 1. So is this equation equal to this equation? If this is happening by BP, this is BPT. If BPT is happening, then definitely this will be parallel to this. We know that by BPT. BPT and then if I take one triangle, okay, and this is if this is parallel to this, then only this will be equal to this. This will be equal to this. Any doubts? Take. Okay, read. Line sum.
Question number 9. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC.
One second. ABCD is a trapezium.
In which AB is parallel to DC.
In which
AB
is parallel to DC.
And its diagonals intersect each other at the point O.
Its diagonals intersect each other at
Point O.
O.
Show that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO.
Prove that or show that AO by
BO.
BO is equal to
CO by DO.
CO by DO. I should prove that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Okay, one construction I will do. Okay, one line we will do parallel. What we can name it as PQ. PQ is parallel to AB and PQ is parallel to DC also. PQ, construct PQ such that PQ is parallel to AB and it's also parallel to DC. This PQ is parallel to AB also, it's parallel to DC also. Okay, any doubts here? Everything is given. I've written what is given. First, they said ABCD is a ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to BC. Next, I have constructed PQ is parallel to AB, PQ is parallel to DC. Next, I should prove that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Any doubts here? Okay, now proof. From given only, I will try to prove that. Proof. So, from where I can start? I will take this triangle. This sum basically will not understand. Okay, this is a practice sum. Practice ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನೋ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, it will take time. So I will take this triangle A, B, D. Okay, just see that triangle now. ನಿಮ್ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. Okay, just keep seeing that triangle. In triangle, ABD, Okay, PO is parallel to what? PO is parallel to AB. Now you should see this ulta triangle. Can you see this ulta triangle here? Okay, this line PO is parallel to AB. Correct? So can I write this side by this side will be equal to this by this? By BPT, if this is parallel to this, I can write AP by PD is equal to AB by PD is equal to BO by DO. Any doubts? Equation. Any doubts? Easy? Correct. Second, what I will do, I will take this triangle A, D, C. Now see this triangle, E triangle root. This triangle. Okay, don't see anything else. And see this parallel. Now this is parallel to this. See this triangle A, D, C. In triangle ADC. Okay, what is parallel to what? PO is parallel to DC by BPT. You guys should tell me now. Again, AP by PD I can take. See, AP by PD again I can take. AP by PD is equal to AO by OC or CO. We'll take CO because I also took CO. Matna Barathon confuse CO. Any doubts here? Equation 2. See how to remember this? I need this thing, AP by PD, so I took first this triangle, then I took this triangle. Now I get a bubble note, E triangle to I'm not going there. Getting that is one hint. When you solve the sums, you will understand which triangle to take. So this is also equal to this is also equal to this, then this will be equal to, correct? Direct level rate. BO by DO is equal to AO by CO. See, I got same answer, no? Little bit we should change. Okay, here you will not get direct answer. BO I will shift it here, CO will go here. You can set or no? Okay, so CO will go here, CO by DO, we got one thing. CO by DO is equal to AO will be here only. This BO will come here by BO. This is the answer. Easy? Any doubts? I have used two triangles. I have used BPT, I got the answer. First triangle, second triangle. Any doubts? Any doubts? Madhuri, take it. Okay, read next question. 10. Read. 10th question.
The diagonals of a quadratical ABCD intersects each other at the such the
ಏನು ಓದತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
the diagonals of a quadratic ABCD intersect each
See, they have said quadratic. You can take parallelogram, trapezium, rectangle, whatever you want. You can take quadrilateral. Okay, and read further. Go there.
each
Intersect
other
and-
at point such that AO by
Intersect and such that given.
AO by DO is equal to
Hmm.
CO by DO.
Hmm.
Show that ABCD is a trapezium.
I should show ABCD is a trapezium. So, what are the features of trapezium? Trapezium means what? What will be there? Trapezium means what? Two sides should be not equal. Huh? One pair will be parallel. Okay. So only to trapezium. He said show that this quadrilateral is a trapezium. So in trapezium, AB will be parallel to BC. No, not there will Kanadatil. This is the line, this is the line, it will be straight AB. Okay, BC. So this and this will be parallel, this is a trapezium. Will Madhya Farpangla. They go and meet somewhere. But AB and DC will never meet. They are parallel. That is the feature of trapezium. Okay. So I should prove AB is parallel to DC, and what is given to me? It's given to me that अगर ये prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ some ತಗದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, we have proved AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Just prove ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. See nice. We have proved this. By using that I should prove now it is trapezium. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ trapezium ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, trapezium ಒಳಗೆ prove ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ that's understand. So it's converse of that sum. Okay. So how can I start any idea? One construction I will do. Construct okay from midpoint AD midpoint P I will take PO. PO is one construction. Join PO. Okay. Now what I will do? I will take this, in this triangle A D B again. Again, remember? So proof in triangle ADB ADB. Okay. PO is parallel to write it here. PO is parallel to such that PO is parallel to AB. Okay. Our type concept model. PO is parallel to AB means by PPT. What I will write? You guys should tell me. AP by this is a 10 somewhere. You have some problem. AP by PD is equal to BO by OD or DO. BO by DO equation. Any doubts? AP by PD is equal to BO by DO. This is what we did now. Okay. And second thing, this is already given to me. So I will not take other triangles. I will not take now because this is already given. I will use this end. I should use that somewhere. So I will write that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Now sit and think. In this and this, can I match something? Or how can I match? See here, if I send this BO here, shift ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ. If I send this BO here, this will become BO by DO ಆಗೈತಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಆಗೈತಿಲ್ಲ. So I will send this here, I will send this side. So AO by CO will come here, CO. Okay, ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. I am trying to match this and this now. So BO will come here, BO by DO. Match them. See properly. Equation 2. Both are matched. So only he gave that. Now if you do 9, 10 sum, you will understand you should take this triangle or practice ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. APD ಅಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೊಂಡು 9th sum also I took APD. Here also I took APD. Okay, that's how you understand. Now AP by PD is equal to BO by DO. AO by CO is also equal to BO by DO. So this is equal to this. Okay, so AP by AP by PD is equal to AO by CO. Now come here. AP by PD is equal to AO by CO. What I should prove? I should prove ABCD is a trapezium. AP by PD is equal to BO by CO. AP by PD is equal to PO is parallel to C. If this is happening, AP by PD is equal to AO by CO. If this is happening, PO is parallel to what? DC. Then PO is parallel to DC. If PO is parallel to DC, PO is also parallel to AB. Therefore, AB is parallel to DC. अगले सम ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನೆನಪೈತಿ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೆಪೆಜಿಯಂ ಇದ್ನ ಹೇಳಾತಿದ್ದೆ ಇದು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ this is equal to this is parallel to this is parallel to this also we have done lines we open and see in the beginning only we have took PO is this is parallel to this is parallel to this. In this sum one layer by layer will do. First I understood that PO was parallel to AB. After doing all this sum we understood PO is also parallel to DC. Then AC will be parallel, DC will be parallel to AB. Understood? Any doubts? Easy. Therefore, AB is parallel to DC. Hence, it's a trapezium. You can write that. Hence, it is a trapezium. Did it someone? Did it? Thank you.